Hello guys, welcome back to the page, and if you're wondering where I am, this is now where I'm going to be working on my car.
Actually, I'm going to pause myself there because some of you will maybe know that I actually have my own unit now. So I recorded this and then not long afterwards found my own unit. So I still work with One Automotive. I'm still their videographer, so I'll still be down there and using their place, you know, now and then. But I do have my own unit now. Anyway, let's get back to this video.
Now, how amazing is this place? And I get to use it to work on my car. And as you can see, it is tipping it down outside. So what a perfect time to actually have like a whole, you know, I can use this ramp and everything to work on TT, but my car is too low for this lift. Unfortunately, it's lowered too much. Oh, I can't put this lift. So I'm going to put it on this one. James is going to show me, it's got little lifts in the middle of it because I need to take all the wheels off so I can basically drive the car on, and then these lifts come up in the middle, which is just so good. Second thoughts.
Check this out. Go, go, go.
I'm gonna get James to guide me on because I'm so worried that I'm not gonna get in the middle, so let's get James. Right, James is gonna show me how this ramp is done because it's different to normal ramp that I've used, so let's have a look at this thing. Right, now that James actually helped me get the car on the ramp, have a look at this incredible workshop. The car is on the ramp, but I've actually never seen underneath my TT, so I don't know if it's going to be, we don't know what's going to be underneath there. It could be absolutely horrible, or yeah, it could be, I could have got an absolute gem. I don't know, it's 2012, let's find out. All right guys, for this fit, we're actually going to go full SAS mode, I believe it's recording, yes it is. And I've got you guys here so you can kind of see better, so I can turn this one around. Right, this is the first time, even though James just helped me with this bit here, I didn't really have a look. Let's have a look underneath this. You know what? It's actually good. It's actually really, really clean. I don't see any, actually it's really clean. Holy cow. I thought I would have some parts. Okay, let's get to the back. Let's start with the back. So subframe is, it's a little bit, but that's just like surface rust, nothing that bad. If anything, like, yeah, maybe I'll change the subframe. Now I do need to change the exhaust because obviously I put this back diffuser on and it is, these exhaust tips are touching the back diffuser, and there's actually a lot of room above the exhaust for me to put that in. Right, I'm the silly goose, just put it up and then left all the parts in the boot, haven't I? So let's get them out. Anyway, so what do we got? We got wheel spacers. So I've gone for 10 mil on front and back because in the previous video, I actually put 15s on the back. And just let me show you, I just don't think the fit is slightly right. Now, I know they're in the air, but if you look down there, to me, they go out a little bit too much. What I would rather do is actually get some thicker tires to go, like, you know, what is it? Because these are 2.25. I'd rather maybe get 2.35, so the kind of tire sticks out a bit more, like, so it's a bit more over the rim. And it will kind of make it a bit better because at the moment the wheel sticks out too much, the tire's too far back, so that needs to kind of level up. So Brett, take it from 15 to 10 on front and back, and then thicker tires soon. I'll sort that out in the new year. So I need to swap all these over. Now, what I also have is I changed the water jet that sprays your headlight when you're driving on the left-hand side. For some reason, the right-hand side one is failing. So I've got a new one for that, so that needs changing. I just need to have a look at it. It might be the pipe, it might be the jet, I don't know. I ordered just a new jet just because it was cracked or something. You know, it's good to have a reserve anyway. Right, we've got some carbon fiber Quattro badges for the side. Now, I got these just in case. So I removed the stickers from the side on my car previously. Even though it looks great, kind of plain, I'm just feeling like maybe I want to try and see what it looks like with that. If they don't look good, I could just take them off, whatever. And of course, the Stevolution badge. Now, Stevolution Live is my casino channel, so I'm having that separate from my car stuff. So of course, SteveXM badge _mod, but SteveXM badges are going to replace that because you need the right tag. And I do actually have here some super glue remover because annoyingly when I was putting this back on when I changed the diffuser, this actually snapped this little corner when I was putting it in, which is so annoying. So I glued it back on, but there's kind of just some glue there. So I want to see if I can just get rid of it. I will buy a new one day, but annoyingly you have to kind of buy the pair. I don't need a pair, I just need the one. So I'm gonna see if I can just correct that a little bit, but yeah. Now, I wanna do the stickers first because it's absolutely tipping it down. I wanna just make sure they're stuck on and fine before I go back out in that horrible blizzard that's outside. So I'm gonna get them done first, then put the spacers on. But the problem I'm having here is, do I have it with the kind of the angle of the car, like follow the line, or do I kind of just do it straight like it was? But I kind of want to follow this line and have it going with the flow of the car. I feel like that's what I should do, so I'm going to do that. Yeah, I'm trying to think.
Down, there.
Ever like there, yeah?
So below that line.
Yeah. Follow the line of the car.
Right, touch that. That's it. Touch it along. There you go.
Oh, nice one, James. Yeah, look at that. It's almost like James, you know, has been in the trade for a long time, right?
Been doing
Actually,
this all my life.
This is James, by the way. Which I know a lot of you guys will probably already know who James is, but yeah, he's we're just me and him today. So
well, just the tag team today.
Yeah, well, James is snacking, and I'm
snacking and for beer.
Nah, you're working. Oh, did you?
I was better it this morning.
Oh, really?
I fell asleep with a beer on the sofa in front of the fire. And she goes, don't spill that beer unless I'm dozing off. What did I do?
You
spilled the beer all over me, all on the sofa.
It's always the way, though.
And then I woke up with a bad head. I was like, ah.
Yeah, but it's always the man thing where you're like, I'm not going to do it. I do the same, and then I do it.
I woke up, I couldn't wake up. No, I'm all right. And then 2 minutes later,
yeah. That's always it, man.
We have just lined that up, so you my fruity boy.
Yeah, let's do that.
That's actually quite a straight line, that is.
Cheers, mate. What I'm doing, guys, got a little chest cam for you as well, guys. This is so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing bit by bit here. All right, let's get this on, guys. So, almost dropped it. Right, here we go. This is going to be a trucker. Also, his whereabouts, I think, slightly in the middle. So when it originally had the TT, it was slightly in the middle, so I'm going to do almost similar to that. I'm going to go from the top of the TTs. I've just got to go for it, I guess. Let's get the top of the TTs. Right, top of the TTs. Get that side about the same. Right, and come in. Full send. Right, I full sended it. Let's just take this off. Let's see how this looks. Let's take the masking tape. Now remember, I will link in the bio to where you can get these yourself if you want them. Oh yes. Oh, I love that. Oh, you can't tell me that doesn't look good. See, I want it to be discreet, but that, with the carbon fiber side skirt, carbon fiber Quattro, oh, that looks good. You can't tell me that does not look good. I am actually really happy with that. I'm glad I did it. It kind of just puts it back to the OEM with having the sticker on the side, but without the horrible white and red TT. Now we just got a nice carbon fiber. It's just slight. You can't see it in some angles, which is what I like, but then when you come up close, oh yeah, very happy with that. Go and do the other side. I thought the other side's done as well. I am so happy with that. It's just the little subtle touch that you can't, like from here, you can't really see it, but then when you look closer, you can see it, and it's just like, oh yeah, very, 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 very happy with that. I wasn't too sure. I just kind of wanted to leave the sides blank, but it just adds that slight little bit. Right, now, got to get these side stickers on as well, and then onto the wheel spacers. Now it's time to get off the Stevolution stickers and put on the new one, the Steve XM stickers. And I've just got, oh, that's well easy. Look, it's literally just peeling off, which is good. Oh, it has left a little bit of residue, but we can clean that off and get the new stickers on. All right, guys, now that we got them off, I'm just going to clean this up, stick the new ones on, and we're done. All right, here we go. Steve XM stickers going on. Let's get it all. I'm just going to do exactly what I did last time. Line it up there. There we go. One. Now, what I actually did last time, I can't believe I did this. I left this outside bit on, being an absolute idiot. I don't know how. The amount of stickers and detailing on loads of things over the years I've put on, I forgot that. I'm just so stupid. So, get it on. It should cover up all the residue from the old one. Let's have a look. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's on now. That's much. You can't even see the old one, so actually, funny enough, you can actually see that better than you could the Stevolution one. Once again, links in the bio for the company I got this from. Right, guys, but I'm actually going to call it there, guys, because it took a little bit longer to do some of those things, plus we're closing up here. So I will be back to do the spacers at some point when I can, but it was good seeing Leaf Car, got all the new stickers on. But yeah, we got to get home. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you drop a like, a subscription, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. So this is my Mark II Audi TTS. How are you, Steve? I'm good. Oh, yes. Nicolas. Oh, yeah. Put my foot down. Holy, oh my God.